Hi students, today we will discuss about the one of the important question of scope of merchant banking. Already we know that the in merchant banking. Now scope of merchant banking, growth of new issue market. The growth of new issue market is unrepentant since of in 1990-91. The amount of annual average of capital issued by non-government policy companies was only about the 90 crores in 70 crores. The same rose to in over the thousands in the 80s. Further, the 12,700 crores in the first 4 years. The 1990s, the in figure would be will be and the 40,000 rupees by the end of the 1994 and 95. So growth of new issue market అనేది some of the period వరకు ఎంత ఉంది అంటే so it can be in 40,000 crores by the end of the 1994-95 years వరకు. So it is also in a growth of new issue market in a situation. So next one, entry of in foreign investors. The entry of in foreign investor and outstanding development in the history of India capital market was its opening upon the in 1992. So the foreign market it can be in opening to the in 1992 by allowing the foreign institution investors to invest the primary and secondary market. So it can be investing them to the in primary markets and secondary market also. The permitting India companies in directly top foreign capital through euro issue. So the capital it can be through in a euro issue. Within the 2 years to in March 1994, the total inflow of in foreign capital through this in roads reached about the in a 5 billions. So within 2 years, within 2 years in March 1994 వరకు క్యాపిటల్ మార్కెట్ సిచ్యువేషన్ అనేది ఎంత వరకు రీచ్ అయిందంటే 5 బిలియన్స్ కి రీచ్ అవ్వడం అనేది జరిగింది. సో నెక్స్ట్ వన్, చేంజింగ్ పాలసీ ఇన్ ఫినాన్షియల్ ఇన్స్టిట్యూషన్స్. విత్ ద చేంజింగ్ ఎంఫసైజెస్ ద లెండింగ్ ద పాలసీస్ ఆఫ్ ఇన్ ఫినాన్షియల్ ఇన్స్టిట్యూషన్స్ ఫ్రమ్ సెక్యూరిటీ ordination to in project orientation. Corporate enterprises would require to expert services of in merchant bankers for project appraisals in financial management. So it is also in policy, changing to the in policies. So it can be in orientation of in a project and corporate finance, corporate enterprises. Next one, export services of the merchant bankers for project appraisals and financial management that can be included to the in changing of in financial institutions. In next one, development of a debt market. So the debt market in the concept of market has said to in work through the national stock exchange and over the in counter exchange of in India. Experts feel that of the estimate the capital issue of in 40 crores in 1994-95. Already we know that the in growth of new issue market. So a good portion may be raised through the in debt instruments. So it can be in rising to the in debt instruments in a good position in a 1994-95. The development of in debt market will offer opportunity to the in merchant bank. So it is also in development of in debt market. In a last one, innovations of the in instruments. So the India capital market has witnessed innovations in the introduction of in financial instrument such as non-capital debentures with warranties and cumulative convertible preference shares and zero coupon premiums notes and floating rates bonds and action rate in debentures etc. that can be involved to the instruments of in a merchant banking. Thanks for watching. So it is also in very important question.